Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of classic car restoration, specifically the Citroën 2CV. Now, I know what you're thinking, another update on this quirky French icon. But hear me out, because this one's a bit of a wild ride. So, buckle up as we explore the latest adventures in bringing this vintage gem back to life. First things first, let's talk about the oil situation. Changing the gearbox oil is a crucial task, and it's been a decade since the last change. I needed API GL4 grade oil, but it turns out finding the right stuff is like finding a needle in a haystack. I searched high and low, from auto supply stores to the salad dressing aisle, but no luck. I guess I'll have to order it online. Remember, folks, sometimes the solution is right under your nose, or in my case, in the internet. Now, onto some smaller victories. I replaced the front passenger seat with ratchet straps, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. The seats are now not only comfortable but also incredibly lightweight. It's like driving a cloud. I also tackled the headlight pitch aiming setup, which was missing some crucial springs. Thanks to the brilliant Citroën Guru Till, my headlights are now shining with confidence, ready to illuminate the road ahead. Speaking of illumination, I adjusted the carb to calm down the idle, and it's working like a charm. The choke cable was also giving me trouble, but I think I've got that kink sorted out. Till also suggested checking the valve clearances, so I'll be doing that next. It's all about those little details making a big difference. But wait, there's more. I tightened some nuts and bolts, replaced a few missing ones, and voila! The front bumper assembly and headlight/coil frame feel sturdier. It's like giving the car a mini makeover, making it feel less ramshackle and more like a well-oiled machine. However, voltage regulator issues persist. I tried adjusting the screw, but it's a bit of a crapshoot. The regulator either keeps it too low or too high, and the cover is damaged. I'm considering replacing it with a solid-state voltage regulator, which should be a universal fit. It's all about finding the right balance. In the meantime, I've put on new wiper blades, and I'm gearing up for a 3-hour trip to Carolina Motorsports Park. Before I go, I need to fix the CV boots, get new tires, and smooth out the ride. Oh, and let's not forget the gearbox oil. I still need to find and change that. Lastly, it's time to put the fenders back on and add those triangular side filler panels. Let's make this 2CV shine. So, while there's still a lot to do, I'm thrilled with the progress. This car is a joy to drive, and I can't wait to see it in action. Stay tuned for more updates, and remember, sometimes the journey is just as important as the destination. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures in car restoration.